Fresh aloe vera leaves face scrub. Aloe vera is a great antioxidant, protecting the skin from oxidative damages caused by the sun, thus encouraging a radiant and natural glow. Its antibacterial properties help to treat pimples and acne, giving a smooth skin texture. Using aloe vera on the face can help moisturize skin and help manage skin conditions, such as acne. It helps reduce wrinkles, fine lines, hydrate skin, and boost collagen production, thereby tightening the skin. It works like a treat on oily skin and prevents clogged pores caused by excess sebum. Aloe vera has anti-inflammatory properties that help in treating blemishes, acne, minor cuts or wound, a burn or a rash. Add turmeric powder. Skin whitening. In Ayurveda, turmeric has been the frontrunner for skin whitening for ages. Add rice powder. The antioxidants present in rice flour nourish and repair your skin. Add honey. Honey has great skin brightening properties and hydration benefits. Apply on the skin and rub for a while. Then wash it off.